We are doing arithmetic sequences. Let's look at example 1. Determine the 25th term of the arithmetic sequence, and then we're given this arithmetic sequence. So what are we given here? We're given A, the first term. The first term is 7. And then what is the constant difference? 12 minus 7, that is 5. 17 minus 12, that is 5. So our constant difference is 5. And then we're looking for the 25th term. So it means that n is equal to 25. Right, so this is a sequence. We're using our formula. Tn is equal to A plus n minus 1 d, where A is the first term, n is the term number, and d is the constant difference. So we're looking for T25. So where there's n, we're going to put 25. Where there's A, we're going to put 7. Then where there's d, we're going to put 5. So this is A, 7, then plus n minus 1. So we'll put 25 minus 1. Then our constant difference is 5. Okay. Then we can put this in the calculator. This will give us that T25 is equal to 127. So it means term number 25 is 127.